Beneath the towering trees of the forest lies a hidden world, a kingdom where the smallest creatures shape the largest ecosystems. Welcome to the forest floor kingdom. Every forest has a story, but most of it happens down where few of us ever look. Here, even a drop of water becomes a shimmering world of its own. Ants, the tireless workers, shape entire landscapes, one grain of soil at a time. Below the surface lies a bustling city, organized, efficient, alive. Fungi break down the old so the forest can grow anew. Tiny engineers reshaping the forest floor one leaf at a time. Threads so delicate, yet strong enough to feed a life. Worms nourish the soil, turning earth into life. Some creatures survive by becoming invisible. Even the smallest wings carry the future of the forest. Even the smallest streams carve the land over time. Night forest scene, bioluminescent mushrooms casting blue-green glow. The forest becomes a sky of its own. Even the smallest streams carve the land over time. Small appetites shape big transformations. Strength is not measured by size, but by purpose. A forest within a forest, built by time and decay. Some kingdoms awaken only when it rains. As day fades, the kingdom prepares for night. Night reveals what daylight hides. From the forest floor, new life rises. The giants above depend on the small worlds below. In this hidden kingdom, every creature, small or unseen, shapes the life we know. This is Earth's hidden kingdoms.